An important hormone that is being secreted during the pregnancy, which is called as a HCG, which is a human chorionic gonadotrophin that is being secreted by the placenta. Placenta is a maternal and the fetal organ where the fetus gets its blood supply and the nutrients from the mother, and it is also connected to the mother's uterus. So it is both the maternal and the fetal organ, and placenta consists of three layers. One is we say as the Decidua, Chorion and the amnion. The baby is actually floating within the amniotic cavity. So the innermost layer is the amniotic cavity, and there is a fluid within this called as a amniotic fluid. When there is excess of amniotic fluid, it is called as Polyhydramnios, or when there is scantiness of fluid, it is called as Oligohydramnios. And then what happens is the chorionic layer multiplies. It forms a chorionic villi. So in order to determine if there is any abnormality in the fetus, now they are going to take a biopsy of the chorion, which is called as a chorionic biopsy. In cases where there is an excess of amniotic fluid, the physician is going to insert a needle into the amniotic cavity and he is going to aspirate the excess of fluid. So this is called as amniocentesis. You need to know what are the types of amniocentesis. There are two types as therapeutic and diagnostic. If the physician wants to know what is the type of abnormality that is there, it becomes a diagnostic amniocentesis. But if they want to treat actually this hydramnios, then this becomes a therapeutic amniocentesis.